Hi, I'm Reshma Vaishnavi from CMR PU ITPL campus, and I'm going to share my insights about the SLP program, which is the Service Learning Program. So I had gone to the Madhu Mansion Trust located near Durnakundi, Bangalore, and it's a child orphanage. Yes. So we were a group of 6 friends. We had gone to the orphanage in the morning, and we had got some clothes and books with us to donate it to the children. And so I was reading out storybooks to the children. They had asked me to read some, they were storybooks of Barbie and Cinderella and stuff. So they had asked me to read it. I had read them and some moral stories also. And my friends, they had done nail painting for the students. They had played with them. We had played with balls and catching and stuff. And also, we had took group photos together. They were really happy, and we wanted to actually visit there again. So maybe we can visit anytime later. Yeah, maybe the team coordination we had. So we were all into one spirit of helping out the children, and taking a part in their life also, to see what do they do in their daily life. I like social service, and maybe children. I love children, so spending time with them really helps to boost up my mood and my myself, to boost up myself. So we had gone there, we had taken up this opportunity which the college had given us. So it was basically like a 10-hour program which we had to do. So 10 hours we had to spend somewhere, maybe an old age home or an orphanage. We chose to go to an orphanage, and we had fun with the kids. They loved us, and we had fun. So there was this kid, and he really liked me, so I used to take him around the orphanage. I used to play with him, and he was cute. Yeah. I got to know problems, maybe. People are not satisfied with what they have, and those orphanage kids, they barely get the stuff we do. So, and they're happy with that. So, seeing that, you get to know that you can also be happy in life without having, you're just content with what you have. So that's what I learned from the orphanage. Advice, not really. Maybe like you can go anywhere. Service is like, maybe you can plant trees, maybe you can go to an orphanage, old age home, anything. Social service is a part of anything. So basically, before you go, you plan what you want to do, and you can take something which helps them in their life, and you can have fun and enjoy what you're doing, basically.